Today we are here to ask one simple question. Can ChatGPT predict the price of XRP for the month of May? Let's find out. If you're new to the channel, we play a game with ChatGPT where we have it predict the price of a particular cryptocurrency each month. Then the following month we take a look, see if they were right or see if they were wrong. Over the last few months, ChatGPT has been killing it with its predictions. It's actually been relatively accurate compared to about 8 months ago, 6 months ago, around there, where it was missing every single one. So let's see if ChatGPT can continue its momentum. With that being said, let's get to the question. Hey ChatGPT, we're doing the guessing game again, and this time it is XRP. We're guessing the price of XRP for May 2026. Right now, XRP is sitting at around $1.37. Look back at XRP's historical performance in May since it first launched. Has May usually been a positive or negative month for XRP? Give me 3 guesses for May 2026. A bullish guess, a bearish guess, and an official guess. Keep the ranges tight with close focused guesses. I want one exact price and a small range for each. No explanation needed, just hit me with the results. Alright, and we officially have our answer, where it unfortunately seems May tends to be a negative month for XRP, and ChatGPT called me out for having the wrong price. I said it was $1.37, it's $1.38, so shame on me, I'm a terrible person. But let's get to the answers. The bullish guess, $1.45. Range, $1.41 to $1.49. The bearish guess, $1.28. Range, $1.24 to $1.32. And the official guess, this is the guess that matters. This is the guess that we do all the rankings off of. The official guess is $1.36. Range, $1.33 to $1.39. And there we have it, guys, the official answer for ChatGPT. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Do you agree with the bullish guess, the bearish guess, the official guess? Do you think it's going to be somewhere else like $10 at the end of May, or maybe 22 cents? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm pretty interested to see what you guys think. But with that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair. I do hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.